One of the things that has helped me defy age is the fact that my own neck does not look the 59 years old that it is. Something I'm very happy about, as you can imagine, but it is no accident that it doesn't look 59. No matter the state of your neck or upper chest area, there are some things you can do to make aging skin in these areas look much younger in a very short amount of time. Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to be professionally addressing the areas of the skin of the neck so you can have firmer, brighter, even skin without having to resort to invasive procedures. Now, if you happen to be new to my channel and to me, I'm Chris Gibson, a skincare expert. I've been doing skincare for 36 years, helping folks like you find skincare that will work for them, not empty their wallet, and not do them more harm than good. So if you've been looking for content and a channel where someone walks the talk, I hope you stick around and subscribe. Now, the average person spends about $3,000 on skincare products a year. So that is sure evidence of how much value many of us place on taking care of our skin and looking our best. Unfortunately, most of us don't spend as much time paying attention to the neck and the chest area as we move through the years as we should be, until we begin to notice that loose, crepey, discolored skin showing up on the upper chest area and the neck. Now, the neck region is one of the areas that often shows the first visible signs of aging because neck skin is thinner, there are less oil glands, and as I said, many of us don't pay much attention to it at all. And a lot of those signs of aging come from accumulated sun damage over the years. My consistent use of sunscreen and good skincare practice starting in my 20s has paid many dividends, as you can see. And I'm going to show you my 7 easy ways to keep your aging neck looking smoother, firmer, and more youthful. First on my list is a good, thorough, yet gentle neck massage 2 to 3 times per week. And while that sounds very simple, and it is, it's how you perform this neck massage that makes all the difference. The key here to getting great results from a neck massage is to use the palms of your hands and to sweep upward and outward, never downward. We don't want to drag or pull on the skin either, so it's always a good idea to moisturize the area so that the palms of your hands actually glide across the skin. And you want to start mid-chest and go upward and outward, doing this, working your way up to just under the jawbone. Lifting lightly, and then you want to do the sides of the neck as well, upward and outward. You can do this for 2 to 3 minutes, 2 to 3 times per week, and you will be shocked at how it begins to actually lift and firm the area of the upper chest and the neck. Now, you can use any type of moisturizer. There are also products on the market today that I found to be very effective. I've reviewed several of them here on the channel. One of them is Let's Neck by Womaness. I really like this product. It's a very well formulated product that contains peptides and deep hydration ingredients to be used on the upper chest and neck area. You can see here it has a roller, and you're going to use the same type of upward motion that we just did in the palm massage, massaging the areas of the neck with the roller. It's very, very, very gentle. Let's just massage that in, the rest of that. Again, I really like that product. It's very reasonably priced, but you can use your palms, and your own favorite moisturizer works just as well either way. Now, I will put a link down below in the video description box for that product and any product we talk about in the video today, so you don't need to write these down. You can check that out when we're done. And speaking of moisturization, I often talk about on the channel how important for anywhere on the body really that we keep it hydrated, but the neck area, again, being thinner, more prone to sun exposure, and also that it has less oil glands, it is very helpful to 2 to 3 times per week to apply skincare oils to these areas, especially after a shower or bath, to help trap that moisture and add additional hydration. Now, there are a lot of great skin oils out there, but not any old oil will do. We don't want to use things like cooking oil or even coconut oil. I really don't care for that one for the neck area. Better oils to use in these areas are going to be sweet almond oil, rosehip oil, avocado, and even olive oil. All very good moisture trapping, hydrating skin oils. You can actually use those during that palm massage as well, so you can cook 2 birds with 1 oil. The third way to restore a more youthful, bright, even looking complexion on the area of the neck and chest are to use skincare masks designed to help alleviate hyperpigmentation issues. Many of these are the same that you would use on the face. This one is one of my favorites. I've talked about it on the channel many times. It is the Gleeman Clay Mask that's made with turmeric, and turmeric helps even out those discolorations on the skin immediately The same day, you will see a lightening and evening of that surface layer of skin. A fabulous and simple, easy way to help firm and tighten the neck skin and at the same time, give it back that youthful, bright look. Now you can do your own DIY masks for the neck very simply with certain fruits. Avocado mashed and applied to the skin for 5 to 10 minutes. Amazing. Milk mixed with honey and ground oatmeal. Another great pack mask for the skin, both the face and the neck. And one of the easiest, and perhaps one of my most favorite because it helps exfoliate the skin cells off the surface of the neck, is simply mashing a medium-sized banana, adding a teaspoon of honey and applying that to the skin and allowing it to sit there for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinsing it off. So lots of ways to do these lifting and firming masks. You don't have to spend a lot of money. You can use a professionally made product like the Gleeman product, or you can do these simple made in the kitchen DIY skin masks. Now, those of you who have been following my channel for a while have been expecting that this step would be in this video, and of course it's going to be, and that is neck face yoga exercises. I'm a big proponent of these type of exercises because I know that they work. I've been doing them since I learned them from my grandmother in my early teens. She was very avid about yoga, and the effects on her health, mobility, and beauty throughout all of her years were truly, truly amazing. Sold me on it right away. That particular video is probably one of my most popular videos here on the channel because, of course, it doesn't cost any money and it actually works. I'll put the link to that video down in the video description box so you can check that out as well. But very simply said, this exercise helps to tone and tighten the muscles just under the skin, helping to lift and tighten the neck, firm up the jaw lines. I'm going to show you one set of this exercise if it's something you're interested in doing, and I highly recommend you check it out. Again, that link will be down below in the video description box. So let's quickly do one set of this exercise here in the video so you get an idea of how it works. It's very simple. I'm going to be looking at the ceiling, moving my chin upward toward the ceiling while using the swallowing muscles to tone and tighten the area between the collarbone and the jawbone. So let's do this. And you're going to want to hold that position for a count of 5, and then you're going to relax. And then you're going to do the left side and the right side. And relax. And relax. And what you will feel is a definite tightening of those muscles. You don't want to overdo it. Again, please reference the video on this particular exercise so that you can do it properly. And be sure to check out the comments in that video on how quickly this particular technique and exercise lifts and tightens that entire area of the neck and jaw. It works. The fifth way I'm going to share with you is another thing that I'm very avid about, and that is exfoliation of skin cells, old skin cells off the skin, wherever you have skin. So that includes the chest and neck, an area that's often really left off the plate when it comes to our skincare practice and routines. Exfoliation, very important. The trick is skin on the neck is very sensitive and very thin, and again, has very few oil glands, so we don't want to irritate it or damage it. We have to be very careful. So I'm not a big proponent of scrubs. However, there are ways you can do this 2 to 3 times a week like I do, right in the bath or shower using something like this. This is a Buff Puff sponge designed to be used on the skin with your face wash, your body wash, or what have you, to help lightly buff away those dead skin cells. Again, as we get older, skin cell turnover slows down. We have a buildup of dead skin cells on our skin that not only contribute to fine lines and wrinkles forming, but also prevent our skincare products from penetrating and working properly. So it's important to get those dead skin cells off everywhere on the body. I also use a shower towel by Goshi. This is a Japanese shower towel. It's designed with fibers to help lift off those dead skin cells all over. You can use it all over, including the neck. You want to, again, be very gentle in any sensitive areas when you're exfoliating with these type of products. We do not want to tear or damage the skin. We just want to lift off all those old dead skin cells so our skin looks amazing. Number 6 is to watch our posture. Very, very important. In these days of technology, we spend a lot of time, I know I do it too, on smartphones, devices, laptops, what have you. And unfortunately, when we do this and lean down, we're putting up to 50 pounds of pressure on the skin and muscles in our neck. And that can lead to all sorts of things, neck problems, muscle problems. It really leads to a lot of pressure on the structure of the skin, causing neck folds, dynamic wrinkles that become static wrinkles, and they're very difficult to get rid of, as many of you know. So when you're using your device, it's super important to watch your posture. Try to train yourself to look at devices at eye level, adjust laptops, your desk, so that you're looking forward and not down all the time, and you'll be shocked at how much this area improves. This is not just an issue for those of us who are older, it happens in younger folks as well. I know I get asked about it every time I'm in public. Young people in their late teens and their 20s, asking me what to do about the lines in their neck. And again, it all goes back to that tech neck. Watch your posture. And then of course, pulling all of this together is to make sure you include your chest and your neck, and while we're at it, your hands, in your skincare routine. Moisturization of the skin is everything, because hydrated skin not only looks better, it's healthier. It helps those old dead skin cells come off more quickly, naturally, and it helps stop those dynamic wrinkles from forming the static wrinkles that we all see as fine lines and deep folds in neck tissue, and none of us like that. It also helps improve that textured look. Crepiness always is going to respond to extra moisture of the skin. So it's very important to keep those moisture levels up in the skin. And of course, cap it all off with that sunscreen used every day. Make sure you reapply it when you need to. Keep that skin protected from the sun. Even if you have sun damage now, using sunscreen will help your skin reverse a lot of that on its own, and it's going to help your other products that you use for your neck work better. All of these steps individually going to make a difference. Used all together, going to give you fantastic results. You're just going to be shocked at how much younger and better the skin on your neck and chest can look. Now, I hope you found this video helpful today. If you did, please like it, share it out. It really helps my channel. Test these techniques out. Come back. Let me know in the comments how they work for you. And for even more ways to roll back that clock on skin and body aging, be sure to check out this video that's coming up next. Thank you guys for watching and supporting the channel. You are amazing. Stay beautiful. Subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you over on that next video.